Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you how anyone can play ambient music directly from control center on iPhone and iPad in iOS 18. Let's start it. Firstly, pull down the control center from the top right corner. Tap on Add icon in the top left corner. Then tap Add a control at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to the ambient music section. Here you can see 4 options. Sleep for when it's time to wind down. Chill for relaxation. Productivity for focusing on tasks. And well-being for meditation and self-care. You can tap any option you want to choose. I selected Chill option. To view a playlist, tap Chill again. Tap on Playlist and tap the playlist name you want to select. Tap anywhere outside the ambient music menu. Tap an empty space in Control Center to save your new ambient music. Now tap the ambient music to hear the playlist you selected. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.